We want to make x the subject of the following equations. We have x over a plus x over b is equal to c. The lowest common multiple of a and b is ab. So we want to write both fractions on the left as fractions over ab. A times b is ab, so multiply x by b. B times a is ab, so multiply x by a. C could be written as c times ab divided by ab. Note the ab would cancel, leaving us with the c. The denominators are the same. If the denominators are the same, the numerators must be too. So bx plus ax must be equal to cab. On the left, we have a common factor of x. If we now open a bracket, we can put into it b plus a. This is equal to cab, which we could rewrite as abc. Very often, when algebraic quantities are multiplied together, we put them into alphabetical order. This isn't absolutely necessary, and you'll notice that I don't always do it. Now divide both sides by the bracket. We get x is equal to abc over b plus a, which I can rewrite as a plus b. Once again, rewriting is not necessary. So any order for these three letters would be correct, and a plus b and b plus a are also the same. Now looking at x over p minus q is equal to r. Note the line goes right over the p minus q, suggesting the p minus q is done before the result is divided into x, so we could write brackets around it. Multiplying both sides by p minus q gives us x over p minus q times p minus q is equal to r times p minus q. Note on the left the p minus q will cancel, leaving us just with the x, which is equal to r times p minus q.